Other where other it's like four. It's like four. So and then they have different energy. So when you mix one and one together, become medicine. So when some have incantation on it, some don't have incantation. Some have direct. You use direct. So some, even though some of the herbs that we are using for the kind of the health, some have incantation, some don't have incantation. So that incantation is the one that is gear up their energy to let that thing work very well. If they are not putting incantation on it, that medicine will not work very well.
Because the incantation make it stand up.
Yeah. And this one.
That's like for Agbo, right?
Yeah. This one, if kind of someone that is have if the womb is not really good, that there's some people that have problem with wombs. So this one with garlic and turmeric and it's kind of 3 leaves, they will mix together and they will boil it. Kind of that person will drink that water.
And what does it do for? I don't think so. Maybe not. We never know. You might can.
Let me show you that.
Let me see.
Hide it in a pair of socks or something.
Medicine everywhere we go. So that's good for womb to add to other medicines for womb.
Yes,
medicine.
we had another leaf with it.
Oh, those are the meals.
What is it called, Wale?
Odan.
Odan.
Can I take it?
Yeah, don't worry. It is in our compound.
Yeah, we have it at our house.